Sabi nila, the essence of being a woman is conceiving and giving birth to a child. I said no. It doesn't end there. Everybody has to achieve their dream. When I was given the opportunity to go back to school, I grabbed it. And then I told myself, if being a mother hinders me to achieve something in life, and then being a mother doesn't make sense at all. This time, if I have to dream, I will dream big for my kids because I want to secure a future for them. At first, nakakahiya. Ako yung pinakamatanda. Tapos, I was thinking that people are asking behind my back, bakit ngayon lang? Bakit ngayon lang siya nag-aral ulit? Ano bang nangyari in the past? Hindi ba siya nabigyan ng chance? Nag-asawa siya ng maaga? Oo, totoo. Siguro nga, maaga ako nag-asawa. But I faced all the responsibilities of being a wife and being a mother. And now that I was given the chance, I would never let it slip off my hand. And I would always remember those times that I pity myself while I'm seeing ladies in uniform or career women. And now, what I always think of is I have the most valid reason. I have more than enough reason, my kids, to be successful. So I am addressing this to all young people, especially young mothers. Our lives doesn't stop in the four corners of our home. Our body is built more than the purpose of carrying and bearing a child. And the essence of being a woman is being a mother more than beyond what a mother can do.